Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm posting I'm analyzing the Sensex. Usually, I do not do Sensex analysis with my indicator. The people do mistake by entering into the trade very early. They don't analyze the market properly, and even the indicator is telling sell. From the previous day market, this was the close of the previous day. I am on the 82,000 call option. Previous day, the market has closed bearish. And today's opening is below the closing price of this is the closing price. Of yesterday. And this candle is a gap down candle. Gap down candle. This is a natural thing which happens in the market when it gaps down. When it gaps down, it tends to pull back only to sell. Sell on rise. Even on the very, I don't know, 5 minutes, it is indicating sell. This candle is indicating not the buy. BB is for big bar alert. Big bar alert, and if you see here, this ganglion has not given any buy signal. Gan low, he low has not given any buy signal. Even any buy signal. And if you see on the same candle, a sell has been plotted. The reason is the price has not closed above the pivot, neither it has not closed above the R1, and it has been rejected. This is the greediness of the trader who enters into the market without analyzing the proper analysis of the market, without seeing anything. So, whatever the indicator we provide, it will be culminated into losses. Unless you study properly, you understand properly, you are going to lose money. Here, this is a sell setup. In the sell setup, you need to see nowhere price is above the pivot. This is hourly pivot running. When even when you are on the lower time frame, this dynamic pivot is coded for calculation for the hourly pivot. It goes back to, if it is a 5 minutes candle, it goes back to 12 candles. If it is 3 minutes candle, you can calculate, it can go back to. So one should have patience, one should enter with only one lot, and one should have managed the stop loss. And it is clearly plotting sell, sell, sell. No buy has been generated. This is the wrong thing. BB is for big bar alert. If you go to the setting, you can see there that is for big bar alert. So it has been created to alert. It is a big bar. One should not enter into the trade. That is the reason it has been included. So don't do that mistake. Don't do that mistake because pivot is the balance line. When the price is not going above the balance line, not closing above the balance line, the price is not stable and it is not positive. That you must remember. And even the GAN halo has not turned into blue. How can you enter into the trade? You should not do this mistake. Same thing. I'll go for uh, put option. The price was around 81, even I'll go for a 81,000 put option. Okay. Here, even the 81,000 put option on 25th, they have sold it. Let me go back to 82,000 put option, whether it is doing it or not. 82,000 put option. You can see 82,000 put option, even though let me zoom it, come back. This is the 25th. Let me go to the lower time frame, 5 minutes. See, this has started coming down. You look for the previous day. It is the buy signal, gap up because of the Sensex gap down. And then it started correcting. You can see over here, and it has not lost the pivot support. This is the pivot support. This is the R1 support. Okay. And then let me change it to hourly time frame or 15 minutes time frame. This first candle, even though it is red, see the close. The close is above the pivot. It has GAN halo is positive. Close is above the pivot, GAN halo is positive, and the next 15 minutes candle is positive close above the pivot as well as the R1. So the price continuously plotting buy signals. This BB is big bar alert. That is, big bar alert is not a buy signal. You must know it is alerting it as a wide range bar. It is alerting as a wide range bar. If you go to the settings, this is the big bar, enable big bar. Suppose if I uncheck this, all all the things has gone. You can see over here. Nowhere, nowhere price has lost its balance, even though it came down. And next, it is here is your entry. You have entered here in this area. The entry came around, proper entry came around here, around 9:45. And your stop loss is this candle low. So entry, if you would have made around 303, your stop loss is here. And yesterday was, I mean, yesterday was expiry day, I believe, in the Sensex. I do not trade in Sensex, but still, for the sake of a viewer, I'm making this video. You can see clearly there is no buy signal on the call option. So that is why it has been designed. The traders will get caught. See, you can see over here, I'm zooming it out. It is continuously sell, sell, sell. How can you enter into a buy and lose money? That means you do not have patience and you do not take care of your risk management and you are not placing the stop. And the greediness is you are taking the trade with many lots. I can imagine whoever has taken, they might have considered it as a very less price, 54 or 39 rupees. The lot size may be 30. It is a 30. Okay, let me think it as a 30. Your entry around 45 rupees. 45 into 30, 1350. You are thinking it as very cheap and entering into many lots is a mindless game. One should not do this. That's why SEBI is bringing so many rules to control the retailers. This is the greediness, ultimate greediness. Ultimate greediness. One should have patience. When, say, it's a common sense, when the prices gap down from the area of previous day low, it is a weakness. See, you need to learn the price action. If you do not know the price action, you will end up with whatever the indicator is provided, coded, you will not be able to make money. For that, for an intraday trader to claim for success, one needs to have patience. And the money management is very, very essential to, not the money management, sorry, risk management is very, very essential to take the trade. Whoever have jumped into the trade thinking that it is a very cheap, then they might have lost money. Definitely. And it has been so well designed. This indicator has been so well designed in giving alerts to the trader. Every candle it gives alert you sell, sell. Why it is giving alert? Because the pivot is trading below, price is trading below the pivot. Price, if you see, price is below support. Yes, red color line is the support. and it is the natural price action. After the gap down, it will go to the balance line and retest and only for the sell. And this Gan Hilo has not changed color, and it is telling you it is the selling territory. You cannot go beyond this. Price cannot go beyond this. It is like a barricade. It is standing like a barricade. Then how can you trade like this? No one can trade haphazardly, make mistake and lose money. One should not do that. One should not do that. It is a, whoever does this, that is a greediness, and without any risk management. If you do not have stop loss, you are going to lose money. And this indicator is very beautiful. It clearly tells you, alerts you not to take the trade. When it tells you you are going against it, you have not understood the BB. BB is a big bar alert, not the buy alert. Only single B is the buy alert. BB is for big bar alert. Big bar alert has been created for the sake of the trader. Some people, many people enter on the big bar, they make mistake. So big bar, immediately after the big bar, if there is no signal follow through, then it will go for sideways. For that, it has been taken care with the NR4 and NR5 candle formation, color formation. It will start forming here. This is just 15 minutes. The market has to settle. See, and the market needs time. When it is such a huge volatility, the people will come. Sellers, when it is in the seller's territory, the people will try to sell. The professional traders will be waiting for the premium price to sell. These are the call writers. They are waiting for this. Previous day call writers or early entries, VTST traders, all will wait. This is the rushed hour. If you would have patience, you won't have lost money. I can say this much. And it is a beautiful thing. If you would have seen the chart properly, you could have entered into the sell side trade and you would have made money. It has run up from 292 to 837. That is 600 points profit. If I multiply it by into 600, 18,000 per single lot. See the mistake. It is the mistake what you have done. Do not do the mistake. Understand the concept. I have made video with the concept only. Concept explaining everything. The problem with the viewers is they do not see the video properly, completely. They do not have patience. When they do not have patience to view the video, how can they trade with patiently in the market? Patience is very, very important for an intraday trader. They hurry themselves thinking that they will miss out trade FOMO. They want to make quick money. Quick money, scalp it. Even for scalping also, it is indicating sell. So friends, understand when the indicator is telling sell, even the bar by bar it is selling sell, going against by, see, this is for the reason it has been coded for sell. They, traders should not make mistake by seeing the green candles for that reason. You can see on every bar it is a sell signal. After the gap down, I'm zooming it out. You can see it has been coded S. It is telling yes. It is a gap down, even it is closing at the top sell. Because the reason price is below pivot, price is below support, price is below hilo. Price, even the follow through candle try to move higher, it is in the sell area, and the previous day balance level is around here. You need to mark out before taking the trade. You need to mark out where are the balance line, what the price has done. Here you can clearly see this is the balance line. The market has closed bearishly and it is trying to move to that line and getting rejected. Have patience and trade wisely. Do not lose money in the market. So I'm explaining it to you in detail. So pivots are the balance lines to indicate that whether the price is in balance or not. This is a dynamic pivot. It has been created to indicate you on the live market. This is the privilege you get. As a trader, you get as a privilege. So, friends, trade wisely. I wish you all the best. Have patience. Have risk management. That is very, very important. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Greediness will spoil everything. And don't lose your money. Don't lose your capital. It is like slaughtering the hen, which is giving you golden egg. If you do not have the hen, where you will get the hen? Eggs. So do not lose money and see how much capital you are having. Only trade with that. Keep something for yourself in bad weather. Don't put all of your capital into the market and trade it. That is utter foolishness. Thank you very much, friends. Nannakshi Swami signing.